Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know that a British F 35B stealth fighter jet crashed into the Mediterranean Sea on Wednesday morning, United Kingdom time, while operating off the aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth. It's good that the pilot ejected and was returned safely to the ship. This incident occurred during routine flight operations and not during any exercise or joint drill. The major task for the investigation and recovery team is to identify the root cause behind this crash and identify what could be done to avoid such an incident of losing a costly aircraft in future. Not just identifying the root cause behind this crash is crucial, but also to recover the fighter wreckage since it's fully packed with top secret radars, sensors, and other gadgets which cannot be just left inside the ocean. This is the first ever crash involving a British F 35 fighter, and the accidents have claimed F 35s in other countries as well, like the United States and Japan. We will quickly run through the other accidents involving F 35 fighter jets in this particular video. During September 2018, a United States Marine Corps F 35B crashed near Marine Corps Air Force Station of South Carolina. Even in this incident, the pilot ejected safely. Post investigation, it was identified that the cause of the crash was attributed to a faulty fuel tube. On 9th April 2019, a Japan Air Self Defense Forces F 35A attached to Misawa Air Base disappeared from radar during a training mission over the Pacific Ocean. The fighter disappeared about 84 miles east of the Emori Prefecture. The United States and Japanese Navy searched for the missing aircraft and pilot, finding the debris on the water that confirmed its crash. On 19th May 2020, a United States Air Force F 35A from the 58th Fighter Squadron crashed during landing at Eglin AFB. The pilot ejected and the accident was attributed to a combination of pilot error induced by fatigue, which was due to an issue with the design of oxygen system. On 29 September 2020, a United States Marine Corps F 35B fighter jet crashed in Imperial County, California after colliding with a Marine Corps KC 130 during air to air refueling. The F 35B pilot was injured in the ejection and the KC 130 crash landed in a field. Post this, the recent crash of the British F 35B is the one which is being spoken about. So that was a quick update and a small video on the major crashes which happened involving F 35 fighter jets. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.